Hey guys, so today I've got this month's Oh My Goth box to show you. If you've not seen me open this before, I'm pretty sure that the prices still change now and again. So depending on what's in the box, sometimes it could be 27, 28, 29, 30 pounds, something like that. I don't really know how much this one was, honestly, because they do send them to me. So I'll put down below in the description if I know how much this one is. I'm pretty sure I saw on their Instagram yesterday, they do still have some of these left over. So if you want to go and grab one of these, then obviously head over to their page. But we are just going to open this and see what is in it. So I've not had a look in this yet, but I'm pretty sure that this is their Halloween box, as in Michael Myers Halloween, which is obviously very fitting for Halloween time. Oh, it's very pretty when you open it up. It looks all autumnal with these cute little fabric leaves. So I'm just going to move those out of the way because I might keep those. They're very cute. So yeah, this is their Halloween theme box, and I'm not really sure what month this is, but I'm gonna just assume that this is October's box, and that is their information in case anyone wants to go and check them out. I will put it down below as well though. So the first thing we have on the top is some Haddonfield caramel pumpkin wax melts, like a little wax bar, and it's by Poison Paradise. So that is very cute, a little blue mini wax bar. I'm gonna smell this because caramel pumpkin sounds amazing. So, oh yeah, okay, I would definitely eat that if I could. Very, very cute. Next we have sort of like a little jokey kind of soap bar. So this is like pretending that it's a cereal box, and it's called Halloweeties, and it's got like a little Michael Myers in there. So it is a soap. I know it's not really showing up very well on camera, and there's like an image inside it. This is from Little Shop of Horrors on Etsy apparently. Let's see if I can smell it. I think it's wrapped up, so probably not. Oh, I can smell it a little bit. It's kind of like a fruity sort of smell. So that is our soap. Next we have a little like fridge magnet bottle opener. So that is what the image looks like on there, and then it attaches to your fridge with magnets, but it's also a bottle opener. Very useful. I actually don't have a bottle opener in this house. I'm not really someone who drinks, so I've not really got a need for one, but just in case, very handy to have. Then we have this little wrapped up thing. Okay, it's a little candle, very cute. So it's just a little pumpkin candle. Oh, it smells really nice. It smells like cherry. So a little cherry pumpkin candle. Then we've got the two kind of biggest items I would say left. We have some little Halloween socks. So these are black, and then on the back of them they have a little pumpkin cut out face. So they're very cute. And then the main item in the box, oh no, there's two more things in here, I'm totally lying. Okay, cool. So I would still say the main item in the box though is probably this. Just getting all the bits of the confetti worms off them. Okay, so this is really cool actually. Let me put this box down so I can show you properly. This is a scarf, and it's grey and white. It's got Michael Myers there. It does say Halloween in the middle, and then another little Michael Myers there with tassels. So that's really cute. I actually really like that, especially with it coming winter time now. It's pretty cold here. It also does have the same print on both sides. I really like that. That's really cute. So that is our Halloween scarf. And then there's also this, which is I think like a flag or something. Let's see. Yeah, so it says Haddonfield Huskers. It's like got little holes at the top so you can hang it up. like a little tapestry kind of thing. But yeah, that was everything in the Halloween Oh My Goth box. I actually really liked that. This scarf is really cool. So I'm gonna grab it all and show you all together at once. So there was the Haddonfield Huskers little like hang up flag decoration thing. There was the Halloween grey and white scarf, definitely one of my favourite things I think they've ever sent. It's super good quality and it's not cheesy, it's like definitely a wearable thing, so that's really cool. The little black pumpkin socks, the soap, the little Haddonfield wax melt bar, the bottle opener, and the little cherry pumpkin candle. So all of these things in the Oh My Goth box for October, I'm assuming. Really liked this one. The scarf, 100% my favourite item in the box. You'll have to let me know what you thought of this one in the comments. I'll put all of their information down below in case you want to go and check them out yourself. Like I said, I think they do have some of these left, so if you really want this, then I think you can still go and buy it, fingers crossed. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. Anyway, if you did, please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.